Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in North Maharashtra University in Mechanical Engineering, and today's date is 17 December, and uh, today's topic is abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction versus encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented programming language, and it follows OOPS concept. The OOPS concept includes classes, object, polymorphism, inheritance. There are the two there are the two other feature OOPS construct: abstraction and encapsulation. There are seems very similar but totally different in concept and implementation. The major difference between the abstraction and the encapsulation is that abstraction hides the code complexity and the working from the outside. In section, the discuss capsulation difference between the abstraction and encapsulation in Java. It is a feature of OOPS. In it is used hide unnecessary information or data user but shows essential data. It is useful for the user. It can be achieved by the interference, abstraction, class, interfaces. Only the method are exposed to the end user. The best example of abstraction is a TV remote. The user only interact with the outer interface is that nothing but key. The user knows which the key press what function. Encapsulation is also features of OOPS. It is used to bind the data into single unit called class. It provides the mechanism which is knowing the data hiding. It is an important feature of OOPS. It prevents access data member from outside the class. It is necessary from security point of view. Abstraction encapsulation is a feature of OOPS that hide unnecessary details, show the essential information. Encapsulation is also feature of OOPS. It hides the code data into single entity units so data can be protected from the outside world. It solved the issue at the design level. Encapsulation solves an issue implementation level. It focus on external lookout. It focus on internal working. It can be implemented using abstract class and interfaces. It can be implemented by using access modifier, private, public, and protected. It is a process of gaining information. It is a process of containing the information in abstraction. We use abstraction classes and interfaces hide the code complexity. We use the getter and setter method to hide the data. The objects are encapsulated that helps to perform abstraction. The object needs to abstraction result in encapsulation. Java is an object-oriented language, is embedded system, organized program into simple logical unit known as object-oriented encapsulation here. OOPS methodology by which is the can be designed program implementation classes and their objects. What is abstraction class? An abstraction class is a class that deals with the abstraction of our program. So that question arises what abstraction is. In general terms, abstraction is that features of object oriented programming language shows of only essential information and hide the unnecessary information. The foremost purpose of abstraction is hide unnecessary details from the user. Abstraction selection data beneficial and relevant for the users for much bigger pool information. In object oriented programming through abstraction, the programmers tried to ensure that only the functionality is provided to the user. All its implementation and other external aspects are kept hidden, reduce complexity, and increase the program efficiency. And it will be both looks like a similar, but they are the different things because abstraction can be hide hide the hide the outlet from the user what is output from the user And in encapsulation can be converted into a in a security code. That is the main reason, that is the main difference between encapsulation and abstraction. Abstraction can be advantage of abstraction is reusability of code and hiding data, and encapsulation advantage are also same. Thank you for watching.